Washronko eba Afrique media so bishop edi nhemu de na ese wiase mo nsem de ekoso de bone ne papa so yin ye beka ewo Afrique media ya se ye ha na ye hye enensem ayensa akai bema wadefo adese wenya yire papa wote ne ho na nso ni sika wenya nti wose da bi wenya sika na nyame adom na ese ono so ye bema kama bema odina ne naso na ese de yere nkwa ne bedia kosi wiase wie de ne enye kama sente nde so wonso nkwan foforo ehwe no hu say yes taste e wiase nti wakofa taste bema yi kofa taster wakofa emma 4 side chips na when wo ba ne tunu fo ase mikunu jayo ade a we mi hu o jayo ni jai ele say I read therefore so the wuji mu ne wiase bp wo ho ujimi e be chew bp ne chi ni we say dan stroke eto papa yi so ele say stroke ne chi no oba ne be so won chire ni kunu nyansa se wuntimi enti wo cake eza have no sa na bofofo mo kan ntimi ni cake eza amfa ni bie eza wuntimi nya yire eza ko pesa chips for nko awon che eza omuso eni faso bia na wo bom ho kako enti na eza oba ne be chire nyansa na nyansa kwan of fast to chire oba ni kunu nyansa ni bifo mekra metia me wadwiri me nse oba yi onyansa fo pa na menya sure se ni kunu se no osini na so biem kra pa no wo hie oba bi po na no efese den obere ni mienu sanse wo yere no atere ne se ewiase we mu bibi wo ho yenkotie eye oba warefo se no wo kire mu ekwan osifa pamo ni kunu the four side chicks e different mu na ye ba elkomo wo ho ibisafo elkomo no so de mu hu am say enti eko e bia bitwa mu abasisia.
I was very young and he's a very wonderful man. I don't lack anything, nothing, absolutely nothing. We're doing very well. And the only issue I have with him was that he was cheating. And I kept warning him. And he has BP problem. He has high blood pressure problem. And I kept warning him. He didn't listen to me. And one day, I think one of our conversations, I warned him, I said, the day you will see what you are looking for, I will remind you. Unfortunately, he's in his 40s. I'm in my 30s. And God blessed us so well with 2 boys. And he had partial stroke.
At 40?
And yeah, he's in his 40s. He had partial stroke. And
wow.
All along when we had that issue, because it was on his WhatsApp and text messages, he now moved his conversations with them to his email, because I rarely check his email. I don't even have time to even go through his email.
Wait. He had partial stroke. He was still cheating?
No. It was.
Okay.
I said before then, when we had one, I think one of our last conversations was when I now warned him and said, today you will see what you are looking for.
Yeah.
I will remind you. He's Yoruba, I'm Igbo.
Okay.
And the next thing, when it happened, when the hospital, all through, there's this particular person that was calling the person's name Bola Client. So I thought it was people he has business to do with and all that.
Yeah.
So I could see his phone, the almighty phone with the CBN code.
It was your phone. Obanya safo obemu Solomon ene yakotie nsem abena se na nsem ne sifatie no na mmema so yo madwin se wo mo de se oba ba ko na wo mu tikwa mia so no kwan ba ko na no be nante so ne muzafo enu nti na mato nkade afem yonko ba minia ekia broni na ekia broni papa bi gane ni bibini ebedi nkomo de afa nsem no ewona yo edom suko a wo sa wutie uzubenya wodi ewo mu eja awade no bia tibiko bi nti usu wo mu bi na wo hwe amani ekomu face such a situation wo so how to go about it we de enye ya wo fo ni di etire pa ekia broni mami obroni papa bi mami obibi ni broni ibi aboko
no bia mi ye broni na wasa so di bibi ni e ta
I say we bi ni say broni
o de ma me fa ne se be ye ndi
na ka unya amono ni broni en ka o pe wo sa na o ti adi we kan ton se de keka ho na me ni ya se bibi aboko ni
na ko pa do bia e fa ni
e de ba dia se na ye hwe wo bai ninsem abodi abeto apawa so asa bebi mu ne ye dum su ko ne ye mu nsem ye wo ewiase mu minka Ghana nko ewiase wo mi ahwa wade bebre mi ahum emma ne mema su wo baby to me he na kuma mu nya say ah be ma we medono be ma ni timi hu pa so ba we finiti ko sin na so de enye de obey odono kwa saa keke na so sister na ni chide me fa ne chiema na yakono wotimi fa de gina woni say wa fa wachi woni say e so ti say wo de nya botoye e fa ne saa na so say dani ko ba wo no so a na ntia say enye duma minim say nkofo kaka say mmemme ni ama me ba ba yan hwe obey kesi wo obi a woni ha obi a ni kunu tua obema tua ni obi a ko wonya responsible tua o man go penya so still na le tua e no aye so befa kwa wode ni kunu fa so no ta so msa
me yaba kwa wode ni kunu fa so kra technique a me kra ma adapt a sisi ama
so afa like kra wo
yeah
nya se no to na me fa like a che
me so ma fa bibi every man say ahwa me de be medjuma
enya o mbe bi nyira yie
me de be medjuma pa no say na say no akwa social media platforms no ho na ya mema ne dodo na din kita ho e wo hia ma na omuni omudi nkomo
le to akese nufu ene dream na so say
Instagram ni ho na track omo ha no be ni omo nyomo nza ebo aso group ready na tututu mo ha no nya imani efimo nje se wa wati asese ye fa phone na bebe ya adwen pa ewo ene ya adwen po the free text messages so because na say text message no ne bo ayedi wo send ba kwa 40 pesos wo ka so be send na asante ne social media no so na ya adwen wo se ya wo technique no be na so fine se ya Gmail
I see what they find Instagram, WhatsApp, no, we offer phone. So
say man, yeah, what, yeah, pay memo phones, much yeah, show him so count because conversation, the whole conversation in here, on try free WhatsApp, and call the little this time. Conversation in have what you know. Into account no, and then the crowd obi ni name kra na nye ebia ama usu a wodie ama usu a enkoye ama usu a wodino or the nickname fufo bi nebe enti ene be ya nickname Gmail ni ehwe ni nyina so na wada je so ene ehwe ni nyina na ye hwe emmem be ma ne ye na mmema no omo bibi nim se ye na menti omase obakru na awko no ho the same thing about no the same thing and now you don't wanna make I say feed the horse that you ride and your horses bia and now do sika be hwe oban imana or form nyina for chicks now
boy dey am fan to me go to dream na hu be hia o se dey feed
the horse you ride and man for no form nyina e ba fie ho no ni oban no enam ono ani strategy so dey mo nyina e ba fie no me yeduman how long did they stay for
no watch him because if I go crazy or you need to say pampers for prayer no obeja na
you see
you see only say ne kunu
oh enti when the horse no woni ne enam no hwe say sa horse no obetimi di wakodu your destination ana how safe is the horse mentally physically ana horse na nkasa no wo hwe say na otia is it healthy enough make health now it's not just about the animal. I'm talking about the physical health, the psychological health, and then the mental everything that has to do with the horse. The make a horse on somebody jinemu emanipa. People now nene nambu. Obetimi no aqua kusiana. Se ba ne se bi ene uchiti ewo oyere so. Now you ko ya anu fo bia uchiti o so na tese ani de no we give it up. For better words no ewo ho. Bible no say won ne nante na se bi o fa wachi a wo won kwan se we de betlem so opia wa fa wa de wo mpia no we de we jemu ko se ko ye oba na omo mpani bi no jemu ko na so jemu ko a sa oba na one ne nambo obetna ho ana
anu ni asem bi sa na
your situation na wo mo se o hwe ni situation won so oba na kasa na o se ochi ni wie ne no osu we enye se nka oyare a anka abom afi na ne manwood ne we ne beba na fo beji na ono akasete enye na ma mske na apem mentoma ana omoka kumekra ne se e ma ya cheche go musu kra ya do so do nze bia be nya 77 ne we some of the comments no what it all relates to your relationship with friends the people they relate themselves with the kind of conversation they have and also can ho and a more omo eyewe ode obi enam na say the person does these kind of things once the more you work with the person the more the person talks and make you feel they say oh this is a normal thing. So what I said, so you end up falling into the same trap.
Oh, mommy,
you forget what you how your home is, the kind of woman you are with. If you're not no no and to sa emma if you're not in this situation or banning and boy or no be man but who no a different oh you know investing in you and yes kakra na anya the time energy health psychological ni be or the show mo. Or to me, support you physically, spiritually, into who they not different. So before you consider the kind of thing that your other friend is considering and depending on to make certain decision on his own, consider what is happening in your home. Consider the relationship you have with your wife before you make that kind of decision.
Mama wakasa kwechebe ni niamu so be we su yehwe oniri seke ya dia ne kunu to onye before sa na we chitia no asakwa yade because me twafufa mana tonkwam o kache so o yi ni o kache no woni no ene ma no nim so ni ate no de ko fa agi me entinka your ba ni kunu ko onye odofo a nti susu pa se ko ba we wo betu ananwo bi se ko benya daje krampo a hwe ni kunu ne yare mu atu anamo apene slay queens anani the side chicks ifo yechi a twenu mama a twenu kuna so ana
me nua ba me twa wono me nim papa
se ko ko da we jan kra
se me nim papa bi a waware oba for 10 good years omo oma nenu pe waware no mo and nsem o sheda ni bibi pinsa but oba no ana sika e won nsem pa eyi na abrante no efa eye ne unity make us o ni bibi pie na say according to oba no nim say the kunu o ni bibi pie and so sa be man me no ka say warranty ama eye the side chick ni bi warranty ama ba ko yo bi a wato store ama esno obi ane de
wono sa no
yes ono yes you only bi no oba no nim say be man no say
so dey be me
yes once according to relationship now they are not transparent with each other no on control ni on control on ni payslip unim ni efemu unti unim ni ekọ nti ono to me cho say be say na etua no on so di nti no now so afa na atum say o sa na etua no now so do de hwe mu ka say o we na me etimi ba etimi de be fie nti say me so me put me all e wo e relationship on so sika e wo mu ni house so the time so be kom no no you save ni de e de ma afofo Inti when ko oba no so eba no so ono so di dey say oba be ma ne ko yare serious gidi no aka ni so oba ni ko fi eye aware ne se etwe no busuafo no bi o mu be hyehyehye se na nyama akwakoye no anya adu obi mate na busua ben anya na ade ne ma be ma na kasa ne ma me fim ni nua ba no so bi aware anya adu obi be fi eye na ware so adet na wo nche se ene na se mana no ne kasa ya o consider ne mba ne ma mu aware ni mu ana obet ne mu ba anche na be ma no hoto no enti oyo baby akobeka say no we bo mu kwase ache for all these years
chiaka
from relationship to marriage ni na all these years ni na wo mu kwase ni na chu udi sika ni na akọ investing in another person me ka say bia o kakra bi school fees ba wo ni bi na me de sika ahye nkola no na me twetwe ni na bills bi ebe ofia wo kakra bi na wo so na de aba na me de ni na echi na wo da akọ shoba from a sanka beko
enye fe
eti die bia mema subani bi wo ha man bi wo ha enye be man bi o wonti ana ede obetimi decide so beko so otua ana no to me sure say mo otua be by the time there metimi ga so ba no ba fun onye business and only life exactly so owo no akasa ne life obetimi ade live by but ni na mu osan so ex na mu so what I say so she can live
me that was pa for final was studio na ye rani abedi akoyi de me show pa say oba mma bibre omu hwe omu so ewo under such marriages no ma fa to efim na until final was for studio na
adofo na me wo kan ne say eba no relationship mu efa mmema na mma na esi bi say o za kwa say be ma no na ehu say o cheating bebu ana ye nkasa ye mma no so ye refi yesu ani ye ban bi ebu wa ha na won so o laake e wo bebi anu nti ana be ma na ya den Fawachi. It is a bear and Cabba woman and also check what you check actions be uni be send our temperament at your babu be to be and obey the demon sign or be a betonka. As an affair, no beman or breast and another fat itchy. And Babana, the ass and Uncle, that's like I die at the chain and so it's a war balance. We'll check your attitude for whenever really me photos about me.
Waka say ye, Nami show. Na Sadia, esi, me sure pass a memma, I should be almost buffer, footwear editing, but a memma quiet and a crumb my dear. Eddie and Neno say, a fair foot was soon, watching a bee, no better to business in the day. Now, no, or because was a trap, or back I told na say, or back on the baby suit, so be fun here, cheap, and no dear, we live to see. Did you want to ha anything come on SC, or didn't you a fine commodity you want, but what then for me? I will comment session, maybe no. Share video, share cost. When you are baby, I'll be glad I can no crapuna or the cotton, no one on our saving a warrior, or warranty commodity and a share, na equity. Bidin de na ama uzam de pia kroni ene na yetina konyan mu edi nkomo efa ye awade nsem ya ebeto yapono esumim se wo so afodi efiri enti ha ne di esi makra mo pa